Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add clickable links in WhatsApp status. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to add clickable links to your WhatsApp status, let's see how can you do that. So the very first you just have to try to copy your link, then open your WhatsApp app here and then tap on this status or updates option. Now you can only add links and text type status. So just simply tap on the pencil icon here to open text section. And here you just have to add your link. So let's say I'm gonna add my TikTok profile link here. Just tap on and paste your link. Or you can also try to change the font if you want to change. Or you can also change the color of background. So once you have done, just tap on this share option and their status will be shared. So in this way, you can easily add clickable links in your WhatsApp status. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.